as a data product manager for many years, a data product executive, like I've always been the one to generate the data, and then somebody else has been responsible for generating the UI
Yes.
on top of it, a product manager, somebody like you. And in this case, I started with the UI. I
Yes.
let the UI and this tool tell me like these are some good things to measure. And so it's working in complete reverse order for me. But it's made me think differently too as a result. And that's the power of the tools. I'm not a software engineer, but I was able to build an application in seconds. I had a friend of mine, the one who's going to be taking your course, he had told me we actually were together this past weekend, and he said, I just want to have a way to track what wines I like. I want to be able to take some notes, and just when I go to a winery, I want to remember what wine it is. And I said, well, let's build it quick. And in 20 seconds, we had given a right prompt to Lovable, and it generated this thing. And he starts looking through it, and he's like, well, this is exactly what I would want. And I said, well, yeah, now you can build your own software that you've never been able to do it. But we did this part of it in 20 seconds. If you really wanted to enhance it and do some really cool things, you could. Now you've got your starting point. Yeah. So I'm finding I'm a better DBA. I'm finding I'm a better Python programmer. I can also develop UIs now. It's like, how do I connect all this together is going to be where it gets fun. So I'm getting better and learning as I go. I don't necessarily want to be all of these things. I don't know if I need to be all of these things. The fact that I can get 80, 90% of the way there, though, is huge. And my hunch is that last 20% is going to get solved in the next year. One of the things I noticed the most was even reading different news articles on different AI topics, I'm able to connect the dots differently. That was all as a result of going through the workshop. I knew the terms, I just didn't know how to connect the dots until I went through the workshop. So that was all really beneficial to me and just becoming more educated.